on the traditional zucchini bread.
All right, thank you, John. You know, this is a good recipe for this time of year because people can get a lot of zucchini in their gardens, Diane.
Right.
And so this is a recipe I know you said you found on Pinterest, but you've been using it for a while and kind of tweaking it to fit your needs.
Yeah, and I thought it was really fun adding the banana and the blueberry to that, you know, kind of change the flavors up, and it's really good.
Wow, okay, so how do we begin?
Okay, first thing we're going to do is add an egg.
Okay.
And
where is the, oh, there.
Here we go.
I thought maybe you had it cracked already.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
so you start mixing all of these things together. So this is something you could do with the kids, like they could be mixing as you
oh, right, yep.
pour it in. All right.
And then we'll add some brown sugar.
Brown sugar right here, okay.
And we have a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Okay. Right there. Makes it easy when you guys have it all measured out for us.
Right. And then a 1/4 cup of white sugar. The white
White sugar right
granulated
here.
sugar.
Okay.
We have a lot of ingredients.
I know, I'm like looking around, where is it?
And then we have some sour cream and vanilla extract we're going to add in here as well.
Right here, just need a spoon to scoop that out.
Sure.
Okay. Perfect. And then the vanilla right here. Great.
Okay. So it takes a whole tablespoon of vanilla, but I think it's a really nice add in there. And
perfect. So just
nice
keep
flavor
stirring
there.
all that together.
We'll get this mixed
And you
together.
do it by hand, right, for the bread, usually? Okay.
A person can use a mixer too, but this works really nicely. And then we'll go ahead and add the flour.
Okay.
And baking powder, baking soda.
Okay.
We'll get that all mixed in there.
Right.
We have some cinnamon to fold in as well.
Okay. And you guys saw the recipe on our screen. It is posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. For those of you who don't want to write it all down, it's there for you. And then add the bananas after that? I'm guessing what I find.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have bananas and then the zucchini.
Okay.
And then we'll hold off on the blueberries until right at the end.
Till the very end. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like. How long do you bake it for?
We'll bake this in a 350 oven. With one pan, it's going to be about an hour, and then with 2 pans, a little more like 45 minutes.
Okay. So 2 smaller pans or 1 big one is what this recipe will give you. Okay.
Either way.
Great. And here's the finished product. So I'm going to give this a taste here. Ooh, it's really nice and moist. That's very good. You taste more of the blueberry than the zucchini.
Yeah, the blueberry really comes through.
Great. So thank you for this. And like I said, this is already posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you would like the recipe. Back to you, John.
All right.